As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, the Charbroil Classic 2-burner and the Napoleon TravelQ 285X. First impressions?
The char-broil seems like a solid, basic option. 2 burners, a side burner, and a decent cooking area. The Napoleon looks more stylish and claims to be super portable.
Right. Let's dig into the specs. The Charbroil has a cooking area of 280 square inches, whereas the Napoleon has slightly more at 285 square inches. Not a huge difference, really.
True. But the Napoleon boasts 12,000 BTUs compared to the Charbroil's 20,000. Does that mean it's less powerful?
It could. BTU rating is a measure of heat output. However, the Napoleon is designed to be portable, so it might prioritize fuel efficiency. Plus, the Napoleon has cast iron cooking grids that retain heat well. The Charbroil just has porcelain-coated wire grates.
Ah, good point. Portability. The Napoleon has that scissor cart thing going on. How heavy are they?
The Charbroil is listed at 37.5 pounds, while the Napoleon is heavier at 57.8 pounds. So the Napoleon might look portable, but it's actually heavier.
That's interesting. I also noticed the Napoleon comes with a griddle in the description, although some reviews say it's missing. The Charbroil just has a regular side shelf.
Yeah, the reviews are mixed. People seem generally happy with the Charbroil's value, but some complain about assembly. The Napoleon gets props for build quality and portability, but the heat control is apparently questionable for some.
So the Charbroil is more of a budget-friendly backyard grill, while the Napoleon is aiming for portability but sacrificing some power and, potentially, accuracy in the description.
Exactly. And the Charbroil has been around since 2016 and has, 2,700 ratings, so it's a well-established product. The Napoleon has far fewer ratings, although it did win some awards back in 2014.
Okay, I think I'm leaning towards the Charbroil. I like the idea of the side burner and the higher BTU rating. Portability isn't a huge concern for me. And the Napoleon having mixed reviews is a bit concerning.
Makes sense. Ultimately, it depends on what you prioritize in a grill. For pure value and a simple grilling experience, the Charbroil seems like a safe bet. If you really need something you can easily take camping and don't mind potentially lower heat, the Napoleon could be an option, but maybe check recent reviews about that missing griddle first. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.